for real this time. For real this time. I can't let go for real this time. Oh yeah. For real this time.
Hello. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Zhang. I'm 20 years old. Nice to meet you.
She's going to be our tour guide for Hanoi this morning.
Okay.
And it's quite manic.
Yeah.
So many vehicles.
This is the camera.
Hustle and bustle. Yes. Okay, now your turn, Peter. Oh, yes, darling. Oh, give it to me. Raph, your turn. Oh, Raph. Oh, let's catch up before they leave us. I know.
Need help with that?
Oh, maybe the water.
Okay.
Thank you.
See, I mean, Chinese people love money and good. Like, it's kind of a stereotype, right? They love money and they make money, like better than anyone else. But then they live here for generation, selling Chinese medicine. They especially pharmacists. They're like an old-fashioned American pharmacist. But then during 1945, when we gained independence and a new government was established, this time communism arrived.
Yeah.
And so Chinese people doesn't really go along with the whole communist thing. I mean, they love money, and communism doesn't allow them to have ownership of anything. So they abandoned this place with all their money and stuff and moved to the south where there is still democratic capitalist government. And so after they leave this home, the government kind of cut it into sections and then leases to families. 8 of them in total live here since 1945. Just imagine 8 families in this house, cramping and stuff. And so that's basically of this house. All these woods are the very ordinary house. Wow.
Picture time for sure. What the hell? Why is he? He's got his girl. What is he doing? Oh.
She's not going yet.
Give it all the flavor.
So we are trying some traditional Vietnamese food. What's it called?
It's
Thank
called
you.
duck noodles.
Duck noodles. Looks gorgeous.
It's for the broth.
So I'm excited. I'm gonna use my chopsticks. How is it, Pooja?
Yeah, the spoon is also.
So I'm so excited right now. Going to the Ho Chi Minh. So these are trolls behind me. Let me just. going to see Ho Chi Minh's dead body. Rather morbid, but like, I don't know why I'm just so excited.
Hi!
It's called a...
Carry on.
I was having a nice private conversation with myself.
Oh, with herself. Raffia, she's not with you.
Yeah, Raffia, inspired by Raffia.
Why? Everyone talks to themselves. It's completely normal.
Yeah, but not the way you do.
Okay. We're going in the HANOI. I was going to finish my sentence.
Mausoleum. Such a strange word to say. This is what I'm saying. They made us go around for what reason I do not know, but maybe it's because the entrance might be better. Oh, okay. I think that's it over there. Reception. Hi. How much do we pay? That way. Okay. These people. Oh, you see it in the distance. It's meant to be better than Lenin's one. So. Have you not? I mean, I've never seen it in real life. I am so excited. These lot don't care. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Like, it's just crazy because it's like everything you learn in the textbook comes to life, and it's just like I'm in Asia. From Europe to Asia. This is a real crazy experience for me. It's so surreal. I'm so grateful, so humble to be here right now. So we went the wrong way. I got too excited. Guess I just wasn't following the rules. You're not on my level of excitement. You're trying to kill. You're trying to kill my excitement.
I'm not even going to lie. I would have much rather bought some pants, gone home, ate my Pringles.
So I'm really sad, really disappointed because went all the way to the front and it's all closed because it's partially closed. So it's open from 7:30 to 10:30 AM, which is just heartbreaking, to be honest. Like, I really wanted to go inside and see his body, as morbid as it is, but I'll somehow find a way. I will be back. I will be back. So this time we're actually going to make it inside the mausoleum. Here's a waterfall. Very communist. I'm so hot. I'm excited. I want to get to go in. My life is a movie already. Yeah. So right here is the street where all the mansions which were built by the French during their colonial rule in Vietnam have now been turned into foreign embassies. So this was a French mansion, now it's a Spanish embassy. That's another one. And this is Romania. So this is the final stop. Yeah. It's a good thing I can mute sound because there seems to be an animal in the room. You can hear the hustle and bustle. Stop my birthday tour. Vietnam. Guys, how'd you feel, man? Final stop.
I feel refreshed. I feel rich. Really good.
Yeah, they gave us, oh, where is it? They gave us some passion fruit juice upon arrival, you know.
Wow. This lighting is so good.
Literally.
Oh, Gucci.
Cute. But yeah.
This place is so cute, I love it.
It's really nice. We're really happy. From hostel living to hotel living.
Where I belong.
Yeah, I might actually change, you know. Haha.
For what?
Haha.
I'm a bit hungry. No, I'm very hungry. So if you're gonna change,
I'm very hungry.
You've got to make that decision.
No. So we've come to the spot where they have the railway. Speaking to some random guys we just met.
Do you want to chop here? What do you
Yeah, I like this spot. It's cute. Bye.
Bye. At the same time. Put it after.
Okay, onto your wrap. Look what I got. We got some banh mi. It's not banh mi, it's a fucking hot dog. Well, mine's banh mi. I didn't get hot. We got hot dog.
It is banh mi though. Banh mi just means bread.
Banh mi, give me banh mi. Yeah, I got pork. So.
Oh, I like you.
Oh, mine has French fry inside. Oh. That was so cool.
That was really cool.
Literally.
That was crazy because I thought I was actually not going to come with it.
Yeah, I know, because we were waiting for so long, but
Wait,
it
it's
came in the
seen
end.
a train before.
I know. It's because it's such like a, it's such an old train.
Cute, yeah.
It's such an old vintage train.
You see that, didn't you?
Yeah, it's probably in Kenya, but you know, here we are getting excited.
Have trains? I don't think so.
I'm dead.
Just okay.
But yeah. So I'm in Peacock Island. Oh my god, this sun is incredible.